Good afternoon, everyone. Adam Holder here from Nedlaw, and welcome to another edition of Friday FAQ here at Nedlaw Living Walls. So I want to thank everybody for participating in our frequently asked questions contest that we had, and I wanted to answer a question that we received from that. And that question came from Barb, and Barb asked, do your living walls need maintenance? And if so, what does that entail? So the answer is yes, they do need maintenance. And just like any living thing, we require regular maintenance on our living walls. And each month, typically, our certified crew will come out and inspect the living wall, first of all, to make sure that all the plants are happy and healthy. Any that are not doing so well or have passed away, we'll replace. And then we'll begin to clean the plants just with a solution of lemon juice and water, just to make sure that everything is looking happy and healthy again. We'll inspect the growth media to make sure that it's in its proper places and doing well also. The water within the reservoir will be inspected and tested. So we want to make sure that the salinity levels and the pH levels in the water are at adequate condition for plant growth and sustainability. So any changes that need to be made will be made on site. So we can add a little bit more water to adjust the pH, and we can drain a little bit of the old water out to adjust the salinity levels. And then we'll just clean things up a bit. If there's any water splashing that's happened on the side of the basin, we can clean that up and get everything looking nice again. And just any of the piping and the irrigation, we'll just make sure that everything's functioning correctly. So every month we'll do this, and we'll keep your wall looking happy and healthy for years to come. So I want to thank you for taking the time here again today. My name is Adam Holder, and have a good weekend.